How to pay Starlink monthly subscription. So, ordering online. So, to order the Starlink online, you need to go through their official website, starlink.com/business. You can place your first order and add additional locations after. So, after placing your order, it is important to know that with Starlink, there are no contracts. You can cancel anytime for any reason on your account page. You can try Starlink up to 30 days from activating your service, and if not satisfied, return the hardware for a full refund. You receive your first monthly service bill upon activating your Starlink or 7 days after delivery, whichever comes sooner. There is a limited warranty that differs by Starlink type. So, as a business account, you will have a billing day of the month. So, the billing day of the month will be the day that the invoice is generated and emailed to you. By default, payments are due 7 days after invoice generation. The billing of the month is linked at an account level and is based off the date you activate your first subscription. Now, it is recommended to purchase Starlink online with a credit card or debit card. Alternate payment methods are available in some countries. If you're interested in invoicing or other payment methods not offered on Starlink.com, contact an authorized reseller to support your requests. And that is how you can easily pay Starlink monthly subscription.